Hey guys, it's Dora. Today I'm going to show you how to make these lovely lavender bath bombs. Stay tuned until the end though for the results and for the full recipe. Quick tip, always add the mica to the wet ingredients so that you don't inhale it. I'm so sorry guys, this bath bomb would not float. I let it dry for 3 days and everything, but some of them just don't float. It was a great bath bomb though, and it had lots of vigor, lots of bubbles, fizz, etc. And it smelled amazing. Looking back though, I do wish I had used less seeds. On a side note though, if you make them flat on the bottom, or if you put a big indent or bowl on top, they'll always float, no matter what.